Welcome back to Country Boy Cooks, y'all. What's on the recipe for dessert today? Country apple dumplings like Grandma made on Sundays with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. It's gonna be delicious. It's easy to make and I'll show you how to do it. All right, let's get started. What we're gonna do to start with is we're gonna use our apple core device here. Got 2 Granny Smith apples. Need to try to get the core out of them. Just like that. And we're going to peel these as well to get the skin off of them. I use Granny Smith apples for the simple reason is you got a tart tasting apple with sweet sugary solution on top of it, which makes it really nice. Just that simple. What we need to do now, guys, just take the peelings off of them with a paring knife. Real simple to do. Alright guys, what we got? Got our baking dish. Give it a light coat of cooking spray. We got crescent rolls. Got 2 packs, 8 in each pack, so that's gonna make 16. We got 16 apple wedges. Bust those open. Get them out of there. Find the end piece. They'll be a little sticky. So we're gonna do with these is just separate them. Like I said before, I use Granny Smith apples, and I like to use the Granny Smith because it's tart and it complements that sweet sugar solution or syrup that we're going to pour over them. It complements that really well. So all we're going to do is just take our crescent rolls, kind of bend it over, and just roll it up. It doesn't matter if your apples are a little big. Just ease that over, fold it over. And roll it up. Guys, if you like this recipe, do me a favor and go down in the comment section and give me a comment, and while you're down there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. All right, guys, we got them all rolled out. What we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 375 for this step. And all we're doing is we're going to bake the crescent roll to a golden brown for this step. So we just place these in our baking dish here. This is going to be 16 of these. Depending on how big your apple is, this is going to fill this pan right here up, so it'll be really good. There you go, guys. We're going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 375, and we're going to cook these for 8 to 12 minutes or until they're golden brown. All right, guys, let's make our syrup for the apple dumplings. What we're going to do, got salted butter. Add 2 sticks salted butter. We'll melt that in the saucepan here. Alright guys, we got our 2 sticks of butter about melted. We're gonna heat this on low heat. What we're gonna add now is 1½ cups of sugar. And 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. This is a ½ teaspoon spoon right here. Get that in there. We're just going to incorporate this together, mix it together until it's all. That cinnamon makes it a little dark looking, but that's okay. Now there's a unique ingredient that goes in these apple dumplings that Grandma makes. And it's a childhood favorite soft drink we all used to drink when we were little. Some of us do now, some of us don't. And that's going to be Mountain Dew. But some people in their recipe, they put the Mountain Dew in after they pour this syrup over their dumplings, and I mix it together and simmer it on the stove to start with, so I don't have 2 processes to go through. But you need, with the Mountain Dew, you need 12 ounces. Get that measured out. And it don't matter if it fizzes or not, that's fine. 12 ounces of Mountain Dew. We're going to go ahead and add that in there. We're going to let this simmer and stir it a little bit while it's simmering until all the sugar is dissolved. And that's going to be our finished product. It'll foam up a little bit on you, but that's fine. That'll go down. As I said before, that foaming will go down. And you're going to be left with a sweet cinnamon syrup. It's going to go great with these dumplings. Alright guys, what we're going to do now is we're going to pour this solution or syrup. We'll pour this syrup on top of our dumplings. Now this is going to go back in the oven on 350 for around 30 minutes. And this process is what's going to cook your apples. You get those tender, sort of like apple pie consistency. This is really going to be good with some vanilla ice cream after a Sunday dinner. So these crescent rolls is gonna soak up all this juice right here, and man, it's gonna be really good. Really good. That's all we're gonna use of that. So what I like to do, guys, now Just take your little ground cinnamon and just sprinkle on the top. We're going to put it back in the oven on 350 for around 30 minutes. See what it looks like after that. Be right back with you. Alright guys, we got it out of the oven. Took about 20 to 25 minutes on this, on 350 this time. Everything's tender and golden brown. And it looks amazing and it smells amazing. Guys, if you like this recipe on country apple dumplings, there's a detailed description of the recipe down below. And while you're down there, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and comment. Until next time, we'll see you again in the kitchen on Country Boy Cooks. God bless you.